Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the Handheld Steam Cleaner, a versatile cleaning powerhouse equipped with a 500 ml water tank that heats up in just 3 to 5 minutes, delivering high-pressure steam at 230 degrees Fahrenheit for over 10 to 15 minutes of continuous operation. This steam cleaner comes with a comprehensive 16-piece accessory set, perfect for tackling hard-to-reach areas in your kitchen, bathroom, car, and more, effortlessly sweeping away stubborn grease and dust. Say goodbye to manual pressure with the upgraded automatic steam function, designed to reduce thumb strain and provide a more ergonomic cleaning experience. Embrace chemical-free innovation as this steam cleaner uses the natural power of steam to clean your home, making it ideal for households with children, pets, or anyone sensitive to harsh chemicals. Constructed with high-temperature resistant PP material, the steam cleaner's shell offers superior heat insulation, minimizing the risk of scalding during use. Plus, with a generous 16.4 feet power cord, you can easily and conveniently clean throughout your home without hassle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.